Here's Dan Shapiro to help you find your edge, master your process, and own your future.
Hey guys, good evening everybody. Welcome to another edition of the xmas nightly wrap-up show. Good evening. Hope everybody is doing well. It is Christmas Eve. I guess we could have started a couple more days back. That would have been Christmas Eve. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for tuning in, spending a couple of minutes with us. Kindly take a second out, click that like button, and hopefully, again, I will do my best. Anyway, so look how the personality of the market has changed ever since we reclaimed back that 613 level on the NASDAQ 100. Again, very, very basic stuff. If you haven't figured it out by now, again, over the 50, good. Below the 50, bad. And that's something, if you are trading your first year, you should really just take into the brand new year, because it really does show you which way the wind is blowing and you don't have to guess. And you can see here the dynamics in the last 3 days, how strong this rally has been. Today, another 0.5% gain on the NASDAQ 100. Very, very strong. And the most important part is, as the NASDAQ 100 as a whole, as a proxy, keeps on reclaiming, keeps on building over the 50-day moving average, more and more names are going to resume. So, for example, yesterday we were talking about Amazon, right? Amazon, 50-day. If you watched last night's video, it was coiling 3 days in a row below the 50-day moving average. It put in 3 consecutive days of higher lows. Today, and again, we'll get to the pivots in a second, today it reclaimed the 50-day moving average and went really, really aggressively. And now it just has one more hurdle to clear out the December 10th range, and you could potentially move back to the December highs. What I didn't expect today was Amazon, it was my first trade of the day. But what I didn't expect for today was not one beta name to reclaim the 50-day moving average, but 2 of them. And the second one was Nvidia, right? Nvidia for the last 2 weeks have been seeing strong 190 end of the month expiration in the options market. Today, we started seeing 190, 250 weeklies, 190 weeklies, and 200s that are spilling over into January's. And again, and there's another example. Here's a stock that reclaimed back its 50-day moving average, also confirmed the December highs of 188, and this is now the highest close in this whole formation. Is it possible that Amazon and Nvidia, get a little bit of profit taking tomorrow morning? Sure. But at some point, that's going to be a gift. When you have this long of a distribution, and for example, in this case of Nvidia, you have nearly a 3-week distribution being the highest close. Any weakness, right? Any weakness tomorrow, even a back test into where it broke out of, could be a really, really great opportunity, because at some point, both Amazon and Nvidia should be green, right? Should be green at least once tomorrow. So if you run into a little bit of weakness, definitely take the opportunity to buy it, right? Because again, stocks break out, they retest levels. If they should hold the first time around, you should get a move at least one time to red to green. Some other names that are starting to look really, really good. Again, this is not going to be a drawn out update. Again, market is good. We're rallying. Again, let me be one of the very few first people to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas. For all you guys who are off tomorrow, I will be trading. It's a half day. So for all you guys who are not trading, happy or Merry Christmas. Hopefully you guys are good and Santa gives you wonderful, wonderful presents and not coal in your stocking. So to run through some names that I'm liking for tomorrow, and I will depart. Again, there's nothing really more to talk about. We're in a good tape right now, a good environment. We reclaim back the 50-day moving average, and more names should be reclaiming it as the days go by. So again, we talked about Nvidia for a potential day 2 run tomorrow. We talked about Amazon for a potential day 2 run tomorrow. Let's talk about some other names that I like. Look at Disney, right? Disney had a really, really great run up, and it's just been kind of in this 2-week channel here. Keep an eye on this thing. Disney starts getting above the December highs. This thing can wake up. Look at CRM, right? CRM, gorgeous run, absolutely beautiful run from the November lows, put in a high in December. Very close, guys. Look how close we are to getting a run in CRM. Just the way Amazon was very tight, very coiled. Well, same thing, right? You're putting in 3 days in a row, hugging the 5-day moving average of higher highs and higher lows. All it needs to do is take down this linear regression line and confirm the December highs for more upside. You got Google coming out of this downward channel. It stopped today at the 20-day supply. Pretty basic stuff. If it could reclaim back the 20-day supply, you should see more upside. And last but not, well, give you guys a couple more. Microsoft, right? Not an obvious chart at all. But sometimes, again, you have to have a little bit of a trained eye to see kind of what a lot of people don't. And you can see here, again, you're building a nice little flag here for the last few days. Same comments as CRM, same comments as Amazon. All it needs to do here is reclaim back the 150-day moving average. And you could get a move into the mid 490. So that's definitely an area we want to watch. And last but not least, let's finish it off with the good guy, right? So Tesla today had a really nice run yesterday. Gave us a $7.5 move in 15 minutes of the day. Did nothing today, which is a good thing. Again, you don't want to see every single day the stock marching. You want to see these things correct into intervals. So I am watching Tesla for tomorrow. If it could reclaim back today's channel, there's a potential we finally get that 500 test. That's it. That is the update. There's absolutely no reason to drag it out. We're above the 50-day. We are feel-good time of the year. We are Merry Christmas, only hours away. The most important part is love, family, friends, and all this other stuff is just the cherry on top. So if you are celebrating Christmas, Merry Christmas. If you're celebrating Kwanzaa, Happy Kwanzaa. God bless you all. Merry Christmas. I'll see you on the field tomorrow. Let's see if we get a nice, strong rally ahead of the Christmas festivities. Take care, everybody. Have a great, great night.